afternoon, viewers. You're welcome back to this page. I am most privileged to be your teacher. Now, this afternoon, we're looking at time management in writing. Well, one of the attributes of a professional writer is how you manage your time. uh, it's very important because it helps to speed up your work and then it helps you to be more accurate. So now writing is the most important thing to do we do every day as a writer. And then to write well, you must use your writing effectively. Managing your time helps you to write faster and improve your focus. Then good time management can also help you to reduce stress. So now let's go to what are the things that you need to do to be more time conscious in writing. Number one, avoid distractions. Not allow distractions when you're writing because you want to attend to this, you want to attend to that. It's it tends to delay your delivery work and then it can even make you lose inspiration. Now, what are the examples of things that can distract you? One of this is your mobile phone, information, I mean notification popping up on your phone screen, and all of that can distract your attention. So because you do not want to be distracted, it's important that you do away with anything that can distract you. You want to write, you can move away from where there are noises or distractions. Now the next one is clear set clear goals. You have to reach your writing. For example, one of the things that makes us different is what we want to achieve. Well, yes, is setting goals. You have an objective that you want to meet up with, and if this is not done, you just discover that you're not moving because you're not breaking some tasks, you're not hitting some goals. So you set goals. Oh, I want to write 1,000 words in a day. I want to I want to read a chapter of a book in a day and all of that. By then you're able to achieve better and then it improves your writing. Then the next one is prioritize tough tasks. Those tasks that you want, then you make them first. For instance, let me give you a practical example. I used to write for a brand, and when I have topics to write on, I do my thorough research. Then the ones I see that they are most difficult to do, I take them first. And then I go to the more simpler one later. So I also do this. I also make sure that once my research is done, I make sure that I write as fast as possible, and then I can then later go to editing and proofreading the work. So the toughest task there is research and writing. So I know editing and proofreading are just minor work, so I can do them at leisure. But once immediately I have a job at hand, I do the research and the writing at first, and then I take the proofreading and editing part. I take it at a more leisure time. I do it with fun and all of that. So the next one is don't write in short. You do not have to uh, sit down for 6 hours and then do that. No, 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 no. You can take uh, little. You can write little by little. For example, you have 5 hours free in a day, or or yes, 5 hours free in a day. You can do. Let me write for 30 minutes now, and then you take a 10 minute break. You write another 30 minutes. You take a 10 minute break, and then you do little by little. You write little by little like that. Before you know it, you already have a lot written. So you do not have to write a whole book in a day. No, you can do that a page in a day, 2 pages in a day, 1,000 words in a day, and then you see that you are able to to break those goals. Now, lastly, here we have those strive for perfection. Do not have to be perfect at first. practice makes perfect. You keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it as you are being inspired, so that you will not just keep doing it the way you are inspired. You do not have to be perfect at first. You can have your friends, your loved ones to read and correct you, and then you abide to those corrections, and then before you know it, you are getting better. Do not just have the mind that, oh, I want to write the best book on the first day of writing. No, that's not possible. So uh so in this class, this will be the end of this class, and previously I have mentioned some tips for time management in writing. We have avoid distractions, set clear goals, prioritize tough tasks, write in short spurts, and then don't strive for perfection. Till then, I still remain your teacher.